Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you want to personalize, mark info and select edit. Now click on camera icon, which is for profile picture, and you have several options. You can either pick some photo from your camera, like grab a photo with your camera, choose some picture from your gallery. You can apply one from AR emoji, or you can select one from the emojis right here, the default ones. Smoothly choose the preferred option. For example, let me go with this one, the painting the rabbit, then click on save, and that's it. As you can see, the photo has been assigned. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.